Hi, welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and food category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lot of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.2, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. In category 1, you can see the stay details like room size, bed type, review, amenities, facilities, and etc. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Navigation of the hotel is smooth, and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon